Conflicts fuel growth. Are you surprised? Shocked? You must be. Now, before I explain my point of view, let's discuss what exactly is a conflict. Conflict is a disagreement. Disagreement, difference in viewpoints, thoughts, ideas, and even emotions. Some could be simple, some could be complex. But at the end of the day, it's a disagreement. This planet is full of unique human beings, is it not? Each person is unique. They have different thoughts, different ideas, processes, emotions. And therefore, despite our best effort, there's always going to be conflict or disagreements. We can't avoid it. Therefore, leaders must manage the conflicts in a collaborative manner to generate ideation. Leaders must encourage people to air their viewpoints, put their thoughts on the table, ideas, and then process those thoughts and ideas for the betterment of the organization. That is ideation. Ideation leads to higher employee engagement. And it has been established that organizations with higher employee engagement are more productive and more profitable. Now, is it possible to manage conflicts in a collaborative manner? Yes, it is possible, provided three prerequisites are in place. First, organization culture. Organization culture should encourage people to speak their mind, talk about their viewpoints openly without any fear of backlash. This is very important. There should be a psychological safety net for people to air their views. Number two, we need a set of matured individuals. Matured individuals who are not worried about the person but the issue alone. They should be able to process the information, listen to people, opposing point of views, process that information without any kind of emotions and biases. Okay, what is that person saying? Is there a merit in what the other person is saying? Which would be better? Is it mine or that person's view for the betterment of the organization? That's how a matured individual operates. That's the second one. And the third one, there should be trust and relationship between people. That is also very important to provide that kind of psychological net, the safety net as we call it. The organization culture is one part of it. The other part is there should be proper understanding, trust. Each person must trust each other to be able to openly talk their mind. Only and only if people talk their mind openly, air their views, you can get different ideas. And that's how ideation happens. How does leaders promote this? Culture is lifelong. It starts with the founder, and all generations of leaders, subsequent leaders, must keep encouraging people to adhere to the culture of the organization, keep monitoring, coaching, so that the culture is adhered to. Encourage people to adopt self-leadership. Self-leadership is a process of self-awareness, self-control, and self-improvement. Through this process, people become more matured and also learn how to build this trust and relationships. So the leader must be constantly guiding the team, encouraging them, giving them the right inputs to be able to become matured, as well as develop those trust and relationship. And self-leadership is key over here, which the leader must be constantly enforcing and encouraging. If these three prerequisites are in place, and why not? Yes, conflicts can fuel growth. What do you think? I would love to know your comments. Do you really think conflicts can fuel growth? Please do let me know. This is Ashish Datta saying goodbye for now, and I'll be back next week on how one can manage conflicts in a collaborative manner. Thank you.